10 coolest survival gear and gadgets available on Amazon. Imagine you're out in the wilderness, far away from civilization. You've got no cell service, no store nearby, and the sun's about to set. What do? Having the right survival gear is your ticket to staying safe and prepared for anything. Today, we're diving into some of the coolest survival gadgets available on Amazon that'll help you face anything from outdoor adventures to unexpected emergencies. These products don't just make survival easier, they could be the difference between getting through the day and needing a rescue. Black Diamond Alpine Carbon Cork Trekking Poles. Let's kick things off with something that can make any hike or trek more manageable. The Black Diamond Alpine Carbon Cork Trekking Poles. These poles are a game changer for anyone hitting rough terrain. Their carbon fiber design makes them incredibly light but also durable, so they won't slow you down during long hikes. The cork grips are a nice touch, offering comfort for your hands, especially during long treks. Plus, the poles are adjustable, making them adaptable for various terrains. Whether you're scaling a mountain or navigating a muddy path, these trekking poles provide the stability you need to stay safe. Just a note, though, they're great for lighter use, but might not hold up well under extreme weight, so be mindful of how you plan to use them. Gerber Paraframe knife. A good knife is an essential tool for survival, and the Gerber Paraframe knife hits the mark. This compact, lightweight knife features a 3-inch blade that's sharp enough to handle almost any task, from cutting rope to preparing food. The open frame design makes it easy to clean and keeps it light in your pocket. Plus, it's got a sturdy lock mechanism so the blade stays secure when you're using it. However, it's not the most versatile knife out there for heavy-duty tasks, and it might not be ideal for larger chopping jobs. For everyday tasks and lightweight use, though, this knife is a perfect companion that won't weigh you down. Gerber Multiplier 600M Multi-Tool. When it comes to multi-tool, the Gerber Multiplier 600M is a must-have in any survival kit. This tool combines 14 different functions into one compact device. From pliers to wire cutters, screwdrivers, and even a knife. It's made from high-quality stainless steel, which ensures durability no matter what the conditions are. This multi-tool is designed for quick access and easy handling, which is perfect when you need to solve a problem in the field. While it's packed with useful tools, some users have mentioned that the pliers can feel a bit stiff at times, especially when you need them the most. Still, if you're looking for a versatile tool that combines multiple functions, this is a solid choice. Clemet XFrame Sleeping Pad. Next, let's talk comfort while camping. The Clemet XFrame sleeping pad is a game changer for anyone who's spent the night on the ground and woken up sore. This pad uses a unique X-shaped pattern that offers support exactly where you need it, providing a more comfortable and restful sleep in the wild. It's lightweight and inflates quickly, making it a great choice for backpackers and hikers who need to save space. The only downside is that it's thinner than some other pads, so it might not provide as much cushioning on really rough ground, but for most situations, it's an excellent option that balances comfort with portability. Goal Zero Flip 36 Power Bank. In a world where we're always connected, staying charged is crucial, even when you're off the grid. The Goal Zero Flip 36 Power Bank is a portable charger that can keep your devices running when you're outdoors. It's compact, durable, and holds enough power to recharge your phone, camera, or GPS device multiple times. What's great about it is the built-in USB port, making charging a breeze. However, it does take a while to fully charge the power bank itself, so you'll want to make sure it's topped off before your trip. Despite this minor setback, it's a great emergency power source that ensures you stay connected when you need it most. Marmott Tungsten Ultralight Tent. If you're looking for a lightweight tent that still provides reliable shelter, the Marmott Tungsten Ultralight Tent is a fantastic choice. Weighing in at just over 3 pounds, it's light enough to carry on long treks, but doesn't sacrifice durability. This tent is designed with weather-resistant materials, keeping you dry in light rain or windy conditions. The easy setup and spacious interior make it perfect for solo adventurers or couples. The only thing to keep in mind is that it's not built for extreme weather, so if you're heading into harsher conditions, you may need something a bit sturdier. For most camping trips, however, this tent strikes the right balance between portability and protection. Garmin Veta Pro GTX mountaineering boots. For mountaineers and serious hikers, the Garmin Veta Pro GTX mountaineering boots are the perfect companion. These boots are designed to handle tough terrains, offering ankle support, durability, and water resistance. The Gore-Tex lining ensures your feet stay dry even in wet conditions, while the Vibram sole gives you excellent grip on rocky surfaces. They're a bit heavier than regular hiking boots, but that extra weight pays off when you're climbing or trekking in challenging environments. One thing to note is that they might feel stiff out of the box, so expect to break them in before your first major adventure. If you're tackling harsh trails or snowy peaks, these boots are built to last. Sealor Fish Hunter 360 boat. For those who enjoy water adventures, the Sealor Fish Hunter 360 boat is the ultimate solution for fishing or exploring lakes and rivers. This inflatable boat is built tough, with multiple air chambers and a durable PVC construction that can handle some rough waters. It can fit up to 3 people, making it a great option for group trips. The 360-degree rotation system lets you maneuver in tight spaces, which is perfect for fishing or navigating tricky waterways. However, its inflatable nature means you'll need to take extra care when handling it to avoid punctures. But for a portable and affordable boating experience, this boat is a great option for outdoor enthusiasts. Aqua Defender Tarp. A reliable shelter is a must-have when you're out in the wild, and the Aqua Defender Tarp is a fantastic solution for any survivalist. This heavy-duty tarp is made of durable, waterproof material that can withstand even the harshest weather. Whether you need a shelter for a camping trip, to cover your gear, or create a makeshift rain fly, this tarp gets the job done. It's available in various sizes, so you can find the perfect fit for your need. However, it's a bit heavier than other tarps on the market, so it may not be the best option if you're looking to save every ounce of weight, but for durability and reliability, it's hard to beat. Primus Light Plus Stove System. Last but not least, let's talk about the Primus Light Plus Stove System. This compact all-in-one cooking system is perfect for anyone who loves cooking while camping. It features an efficient, easy-to-use stove that can boil water in just a few minutes, which is great for making hot meals or drinks on the go. The stove is also designed for optimal fuel efficiency, so you won't burn through your fuel supply too quickly. The only downside is that it's not ideal for larger meals, as it's designed for individual use or small groups. But for lightweight, fast cooking on your next trip, it's a must-have piece of gear. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more gear reviews and survival tips, and drop a comment with your favorite survival gadget. Stay safe, stay prepared, and see you in the next one.